Haojiang Drilling Service Company Limited, referred to as HJD BITS, is mainly engaged in the research, development, sales, and service of various series of oil roller cone bits and mining drill bits. Products mainly include tungsten carbide insert bit, steel tooth bit, HDD hole opener, single cone bit, and roller cone cutter. Product specifications covers from 3 7/8 inch to 26 inches. HJD BITS products sell well in Africa, Mid-East, and Southeast Asia, receiving high praise and favor from domestic and foreign customers. With flexible market adaptation mechanism, HJD BITS can provide stable quality and reliable oil products to domestic and foreign customers in a timely manner, while also providing excellent pre-sales and after-sales services. Our associated factory has built a flexible production line of drill bits, mainly with CNC machining center, established a perfect quality assurance system, established a comprehensive quality assurance system. HJD BITS adheres to the corporate philosophy of integrity, professionalism, responsibility, and innovation, insists on showcasing quality with leading design, promoting quality with advanced technology, ensuring quality with perfect management, continuously expanding domestic and international markets. HJD BITS will continuously strive to provide the best solutions for the oil drilling industry. Choose HJD BITS. Choose the excellent fusion of quality and craftsmanship.